When it comes to beauty, the real magic often happens at the cellular level. Antioxidants are our body's natural defense team. They fight off free radicals which cause aging, dull skin, and weak immunity. Here are 24 most powerful and essential ones. Number 1. Flavonoids. Citrus fruits, berries, and apples are loaded with flavonoids that strengthen capillaries and give your skin a healthy, fresh glow. Number 2. Polyphenols. These antioxidants are found in coffee, grapes, and dark chocolate. They fight inflammation, support circulation, and keep your skin tone even. Number 3. Vitamin C. Found in citrus fruits, vitamin C helps your skin produce elastin, the protein that keeps it firm, smooth, and youthful. Number 4. Ferulic acid. Present in oats, sweet corn, and apples, it enhances the power of vitamin C, giving extra defense against aging. Number 5. Zeaxanthin. Supports hydration, elasticity, and protection against flu-like damage. Found in corn, mangoes, and leafy greens. Number 6. Bioflavonoids. From citrus fruits, they calm irritation, reduce inflammation, and help skin recover faster. Number 7. Beta-glucans. From oats and mushrooms, they calm sensitive skin, deeply hydrate, and improve skin repair. Number 8. Zinc. Though technically a mineral, it has antioxidant properties, supports wound healing, acne control, and skin smoothness. Found in cashews, beef, cheese, and oysters. Number 9. Pectin antioxidants. From apples and pears, they support hydration and elasticity. Number 10. Tannins. Found in grapes, tea, and cocoa, they protect skin proteins and keep skin firm. Number 11. Melanoidins. From coffee and honey, they provide antioxidant protection and support skin firmness. Number 12. Rosmarinic acid. From rosemary, basil, and mint, it reduces redness, acne flare-ups, and skin sensitivity. Number 13. Royal jelly antioxidants. From bees, rich in unique proteins and flavonoids that nourish skin, boost collagen, and slow aging. Number 14. Diallyl sulfides. From garlic and onions, they support liver detox, which reflects in clearer skin. Number 15. Tangerine. From tangerines and mandarins, it improves microcirculation and brightens the complexion. Number 16. Theobromine. From dark chocolate, it reduces stress damage on skin and supports blood flow for a healthy glow. Number 17. Gallic acid. From tea, grapes, and berries, reduces hyperpigmentation and supports even skin tone. Number 18. Catechol. From certain plants and teas, supports skin tone evenness and protects against oxidative stress. Number 19. Hesperidin. From citrus fruits, it supports blood vessels, reduces dark circles, and improves overall skin radiance. Number 20. Mangiferin. Found in mangoes, it reduces sun damage, evens skin tone, and enhances glow. Number 21. Floridicin. Unique to apples, it protects against oxidative damage and supports elasticity. Number 22. Rudin. Found in asparagus, citrus peels, and figs, it strengthens capillaries, reducing redness and broken veins on skin. Number 23. Anthocyanins. Found in berries and purple cabbage, they fight oxidative stress and keep skin firm and youthful. Antioxidants are our body's natural beauty warriors. They don't just fight aging, they recharge your beauty from within.